Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some methods to fix EAFC not launching in Steam. So the first method would be to check the integrity of the game files. So to do that, search for your EAFC game in your library in Steam and right click on it and then go to properties, and then you'll have to go to install files and you'll see this verify integrity of the game files button. Press on this and it will take some minutes to verify the game files. So if you have any error or any crashes, it will fix the game files. So after that, what you can do is you can simply go to updates here as well, and if you have automatic updates turned off and you have any updates pending, you should update the game. It might fix your issue. So after that, what you can do is you can go to your desktop and find your EAFC shortcut, and then what you can do is right click on it and then press on the file location of it. So open file location. So after you get the application file or exe file, right click on it and then go to properties, and then from here you'll have to go to compatibility, and then you can tick this, run this program in compatibility mode, tick this and select Windows 8 or Windows 7, and then you can tick this disable full screen optimization, and then also you can tick this run this program as an administrator. So after selecting all these three, you can press apply and OK and start launching EAFC. Another thing that you can also do is go to your Steam shortcut, right click on it, go to properties, and then you can go to compatibility and run this program as an administrator, tick this one and then press apply and OK. So try all this, you can fix the issue. So another thing that you can do is you can open command prompt. So come to your start menu and right click on command prompt, run as administrator, and then from here you can do a quick scan, and to do that you have to type in sfc / scan now and then press enter. It will do a quick scan of your files, and if anything is corrupted, it will be fixed. So another method what you can do is uninstall and install the game files EAFC. So go to your control panel and here you'll see uninstall a program, select and search for EAFC and select it, and then you'll have to press this uninstall button to uninstall it fully, and then you can again download it from Steam. Also another thing that you can do is you can open your browser and search for DirectX. So DirectX and install DirectX from the website, Microsoft website, and then also Visual Studio C++ as well. So you'll see the Microsoft website. If you search Visual Studio C++, go to there and then you can download it and simply be up to date with the softwares, and your issue will be solved. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.